Well, Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen, this is FoSho. So the song that we're going to be doing this afternoon is called "Forget You" by CeeLo Green. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Naka.
I see you driving around town with a girl I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I forget you and forget her too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be with you. But think that's some shit. And although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. But the forget you. I'm sorry, I can't afford a Ferrari, but that don't mean I can't get you there. I guess she's an Xbox and I'm on Atari, but the way you play your game ain't fair. I pity the fool that falls in love with you. Oh yeah. Well, I got some news for you. Yeah, go on and tell your little boyfriend. I see you driving around town with the girl I love, and I'm not forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough. I'm not forget you and forget her too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be with you. I think that's some shit. I don't know there's pain in my chest. I still wish you the best with the forget you. I know that I had to borrow, beg and steal and lie and cheat. Try to keep you, try to please you. Just being in love with you ain't cheap. I pity the fool that falls in love with you. Yeah. I got some news for you. Yeah, I really hate your ass right. I see you driving around town with the girl I love, and I'm not forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I forget you and forget her too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be with her. I think that's some shit. Oh, the shit in my chest, I still wish you the best with the forget you. Oh, baby. I see you driving around town with the girl I love, and I'm that.